What is up everyone? Jay Flores here for the vlog, and today I'm gonna teach you how to cook some buffalo wings. Let's go intro. So before we start, make sure you should subscribe, hit that button right now, wherever it is, and of course ring that bell. And if you're gonna like this video, assuming you'll watch till the end, please leave a thumbs up, a comment, and share on Facebook or wherever you want, okay? Let's proceed with the food. So for today, this is gonna be one of my most requested dish before nung nag-uumpisa pa ako nagluto. So I can say I'm pretty confident with this recipe. My friends, family, and everyone who knows me really well loves this dish, loves this recipe very much. So I'm here, I'm gonna share it to you guys. Without further ado, game. So that is it for the vlog, everyone. I hope you're still there. I hope you watched till the end. And if you did, thank you very much. I hope you had fun. Medyo di siya madali lutuin, pero it is totally worth it. Just make sure you have patience. Char. What I do to make it a lot easier is I do the sauces ahead, marinate the chicken the day or a few hours before I cook, pre-fry it, and then probably hours later for dinner, you're just gonna fry it again for the final fry. So yeah, I hope you had fun. Please do subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and mga request nyo soon if you want me, or if you want me something to cook for you, or basta kung anong gusto nyong lulutuin ko, comment down below. Okay? God bless. Peace.